Okay, what we'll do is we'll just discuss about this resources today. Just share the Primavera screen now. What we are discussing is we are discussing about the resources defining, organizing, as well as assigning. Until now, we have discussed about this calendars and WBS, how to create the WBS and all. Now, under WBS, we'll be having some activities. For those activities to conduct and to perform those activities, we need some of the resources, right? Is it or not?
Sir.
Yes. What we'll do is today we'll know about how to organize the resources and how to define the resources and how to assign the resources. See, I'll open this project. Under this project, we have two WBS, that is construction as well as planning and design. Do you have any doubts on this WBS and calendars? You want me to repeat? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. I have that video. I'll share you with the link. Okay. Anyone, please remind me at 8 or 8:30 so that I'll share that video. Okay. See, under this WBS, we are having construction up to ground floor and construction from ground floor to first floor. In this, we are having two WBS, that is planning as well as design. Under this one, we need to add some activities here. How to add activity? Right click. See, right click, add.
The
Right click.
screen is not visible, sir.
The screen is not visible. Everyone,
Sir.
Sir,
Sir.
Not
no,
visible,
sir.
sir.
not visible. Okay,
Not,
see,
not visible.
I'll check. I'll check. I'll check. Please. Wait. Is it visible now? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Fine.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
in this
Yes,
we are
sir.
having one project, that is new project, the design and construction of D plus one, that we have discussed in the previous session. We will just open this project. We are having some of the WBS, that is construction and planning and design. Under this construction up to ground floor, I'll just add activities. How will you add activities? Just right click, add. Right click. If you want 10 number of activities, just add on to it. Okay. See, I have added 5 activities now. Simple. What I'll do is I'll just add this cleaning part. Right, we'll be having cleaning in up to ground floor, right? This is the preliminary step. Is it or not? Cleaning, marking,
Yes, sir.
excavation,
Foundation.
and what I'll do is this is a plinth.
Plinth.
These are some of the activities that I have portrayed here. What we know how to just add the activities here and how to give the duration. What's the duration of cleaning? I'll give 2 days for cleaning, marking 1 day, excavation 4 days, foundation after curing will take up to 18 days. Okay, plinth it
Yes,
will
sir.
take to 18 days. See, this is the original duration. See, we have the activities over here also. See, now what I do is I'll just give the relationships first. Go to relationships, and go for processes, assign marking. For this marking, activity, the predecessor cleaning. For the excavation activity, marking is the predecessor, foundation, excavation is predecessor, then the foundation is predecessor. Got it?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Right? Now what I'll do is schedule. Schedule. We got the path over here. That is the path in the red is called as critical path. See, up to this we are clear, right?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What the thing is, the total duration of the project as per the diagram is 43 days. Now we'll go how to add activities, resources. Okay. See, for this cleaning part, we need some of the resources. For the marking part, we need some of the resources, excavation, foundation, plinth. For this adding the resources, we need to define the resources first. For this part, we have icon here that is resources. Double click on this. We'll just move on to that one, the resources screen. See, right click on this, filter by all resources. See, I'll be getting all the resources and entire projects that we have executed earlier. Go to the bottom down. What I'll do is I'll just insert one resource now. That is, see, I have R2 here. What I'll do is I'll just move this towards this side. For this R2, I'll give name as design and construction of G plus 2. I'll go for G plus 2 for example because I have done this for the previous session for the other college. I'll go for example G plus 2. Okay. See, under this, what I'll do is I'll just add some of the resources. And all of you getting my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes. Great.
Yes, sir.
See, what is the resource name? What I'll do is I want one engineer for this, right? I'll make it a site engineer. I want one site engineer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want one supervisor, supervisor. I want one labor, labor one, labor, labor two. Okay. Next, because we got a pop-up message that is because we have one labor two over here, so that we can't overlap the names. That's why it is renamed as labor two bar one. Now we want some equipment. I will go for this sand. See, sand. Whatever the name you can keep. See here, we have site engineer, supervisor, labor one, labor two. I will add some more things here. These are the example that I am giving. You just you want I want you guys to scribbly your head to add the resources here. Okay. Earlier I gave an assignment also to write the resources. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many have you done it? Huh? Sand, aggregates, aggregates, aggregates. Then okay, aggregate one. Then mixer, concrete mixer. Okay, to take the unique ID. This the this the then what else we can add? Wood. Instead, I don't want to try to is
Sir, steel
we'll go for steel according to
reinforcement.
okay, fine. Okay. See, now I have these resources with me. Okay. Now I want to segregate this one into three kinds because we have three types of resources, right? Labor, material, and non-labor, as we discussed earlier, right or not?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
this
sir.
site engineers will come under labor, supervisor come under labor one come under labor two is also under him. Okay. Sand is for material, right? Then aggregates is for material, mixer is for non-labor, is it or not? ST is for labor, steel is for material.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I will add one more thing over here, that is JC. JC. What we have JCB because earlier projects we have JCB will come under non-labor, that is equipment, right?
Non-labor.
Is it or not? See now, for this labor wise, we have a icon in the similar fashion of labor. That is a human kind of doll. Now for this material part, we have a brick here, right? That shows this is material. Coming to equipment part, we have a gear with a human body. That is non-labor. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this material,
Yes, sir.
you need to place that is unit of measure. What is the unit of measure for sand? We will generally get it in load, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
load, two loads. See, I have mentioned this one. For aggregates, we'll get in the same fashion. That is load. For
Yes, sir.
mixer, we'll be getting in
Numbers.
numbers, right? This the
Yes, sir.
labor,
Yes, sir.
steel in terms of
Numbers.
tons, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, done.
Tons.
JCB is also non-labor. It will come under
Numbers.
units.
Number.
Okay. See,
Okay.
this this initially we'll go ahead. What the thing we will do for site engineer? We need to assign the cost, right? What we'll do?
Sir.
I'll give 800 rupees for site engineer per day. Okay. I am assigning the cost now. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, for supervisor, what I'll do is I'll just give him 600 rupees per day. For labor, what I'll do, we'll give 500 rupees per day. For labor 2, this is the category 2 labor that we will give 400 rupees per day. Sand, this we will just consider the M sand, that is 2300 rupees per load. Aggregate, what I'll do, aggregate will go for 3000 rupees per load. Mixer per day will go for 2000 rupees per day. It's just an assumption what we are doing. Labor, the Pisti will go for 350 rupees per day. Steel, how much for ton? How much? It's 40,000 rupees per ton, right? Approximate. JCB,
Okay.
1,000.
it's around 7,000 rupees per day. Got it? We have assigned the price also. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we'll just move to the projects. This we have done here. What I'll do is, I have have some of the activities here. See what we have done here. We have defined the resources. We have organized the resources now. The two things we have done right.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
We have
Yes, sir.
defined the resources and we have organized the resources. Now we need to assign the resources. For cleaning part, we will go for resources, add resource. What are the which are the resources that we need? We need one labor for cleaning. We need labor 2 for cleaning, and we need one supervisor for cleaning. Is it or not? Is it or not?
Yes.
Okay. We went to this. Do you want me to repeat once again? Do you want me to repeat once again?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. We have added 3 resources for cleaning activity. What are the 3 resources? Labor 1, labor 2, and supervisor. What are this unit or price unit we have defined earlier? That is labor 1 costs 500 rupees per day, labor 2 costs 400 rupees per day, and supervisor costs 600 rupees per day. Budgeted units means what we can assign per day. That is 111. Total units for cleaning, what we have considered, the number of days is 2. So for 2 days, the total budgeted units is 222. Is it or not? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got it? So that,
Okay, sir.
see here, for 2 days, the approximate cost for cleaning is 3000 rupees. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we will go for marking. Okay, we need to assign the resources. Go just below, we will be having this tabs, right? Go to resources, add resource. We will be having our own customized list of resources here. We need for engineer, site engineer for marking, labor 1, labor 2, and some of the, we want some chalk powder, we have not mentioned it. We will consider these things. That's enough now. Okay. Now see,
Okay, sir.
I want to consider this for 1 day, site engineer 800, labor 1 500 rupees, labor 2 400 rupees. Budgeted units is 1 per day. Total budgeted units is 111 because we have assigned 1 day for marking part. Coming to excavation,
Okay.
we need to assign the resource now. Go to resource, add resource. We want one site engineer, we want one labor, we want labor 2, we want supervisor, and we want JCB. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
With these resources, we can do this excavation part. See now, site engineer 800 rupees, labor 1 500, labor 2 400, supervisor 600, and JCB 7000 rupees per day. See, now we have assigned okay, we are into the excavation, right? Okay, see, in the excavation part, see, we have allocated 4 days for excavation. See, in this total budgeted units,
Yes, sir.
we need four engineers, 1 engineer each day for 4 days. Labor 1, labor 2, 1 each 4 days. Supervisor 1 each 4 days. But we need JCB only for 1 day here or 2 days. What we can do, I just edit it for 2 days because the budgeted cost will be more if we have JCB for 4 days here. For that, I'll assign 2 days over here. Enter. See, now the cost has been reduced. Is it or not? Earlier it was
Yes, sir.
35,000. Now it has been reduced to 23,200 with the 2 days JCB in the field.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
sir.
now I'll go
Yes.
for foundation. Foundation part, I want to add the resources. I want site engineer, I want supervisor, I want labor 1, labor 2, sand, aggregates, mixer,
Mixer, steel.
and steel for PCC. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
this JCB for backfilling.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, now we have this much of resources here. How many days? It is for 18 days. See, for 18 days we want site engineer, for 18 days we want supervisor, for 18 days labor 1, labor 2. Sand and aggregates, we just want it for 2 days, 2 budgeted units. That is 2 loads of sand, and aggregates 2 loads, mixture only 1 for 5 days, steel 1 ton, JCB only for 1 day, that is for backfilling. Got it?
Monday.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is how we can segregate and we can organize the resources. Now for the plinth part, we need to add the resources. Site engineer we want, supervisor we want, labor, labor 2, sand, aggregates. I'm just clicking on those things. Mixture,
Yes, sir.
yes, Bisti, steel, and we don't want JCB for this. Okay. See,
Okay, sir.
here we have 18 days for plinth part. See, site engineer, supervisor, manpower, all we want for 18 days continuously. This sand, we want only 1 load for this, or do we consider as 2 loads? That's enough. Aggregates, we want only 1 load of aggregate. Mixture for 3
One.
days.
Okay.
No, what you have said is correct, but we want it for 3 days.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bisti we want for curing part. For we will consider as 5 days for Bisti. Steel we want 1 ton. Okay. These are the resources that we want. See, now the budgeted total cost for entire activities up to ground floor, that is plinth level, is around 2,33,650. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? This is an example
Okay,
what
sir.
I am showing you guys, how you can organize the resources, how you can define the resources, and you can assign the resources. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Now I want you guys to
Okay,
be
sir.
prepared with this assignment, because I have given you one project earlier of Krishnappa, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This design and construction of a residential project. For this, I have been shared the activities list also.
Sir.
All of you got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want you
Yes,
guys
sir.
to incorporate all the activities in this software. You just create separate project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I want you guys to prepare one project. Then what you have to do? I want you guys to prepare one project. Then create WBS, create calendar for your project. Then you have to create your resources, define your resources, organize your resources, add cost to it, then assign to your activities. This is 75% of your Primavera is completed. This is a very
Okay, sir.
important step in Primavera, so that up to this one you can estimate your project.
Okay, sir.
Everyone getting my
Yes,
words?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
In the last session, I have told you guys to prepare some of the topic, that is introduction to company, introduction to project management, and introduction to Primavera. How many of you done this?
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then everyone switch on your video modes. Prithvi, Hemant, Rajwal. Everyone understanding these concepts and context?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೆಷನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? WBS ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. In this class we have discussed about the resources. That's a very crucial part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For that,
Okay.
before entering the resources, you must know what are the resources you want. Got it?
Okay, sir.
For that part only, I had took the example of that omelette. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ.
Okay, sir.
ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ರಶ್ಮಿ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲ?
ನಾನು
Because I have shared you this list of activities also and list of resources that we want for that project, so that I hope you guys can prepare a new project on this, because I may take hardly 2 to 3 days extra for the completion of this internship program. Before that, if you have any queries, you can just discuss with me how to create all
Okay,
these
sir.
things. Afterward also I'll be in contact with you, no need to worry. Okay.
Okay,
This
sir.
live
Yes.
sessions, you can just ask me the questions also if you have any queries. Prajwal, you don't have your laptop, right? That's a major problem with you. No need to
Yes,
worry.
sir.
After
Yes, sir.
entering your college also, you will be having some PCs. You can install the software in that and you can practice. I'll be sharing the videos. If the
Sure.
time
Okay,
interrupts you, I'll be there with you. No need to worry. All of you guys. Huh?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I want you guys to prepare and just to practice these things. Okay, this is very important. Okay. When shall I expect that report? The basic report I told you, this introduction to company, introduction to Primavera, and introduction to project management. How many of you done it? Tarun,
Sir, I have started, sir.
Rashmi,
Sir, started, sir.
okay, Prajwal ji.
Sir, I'll do it by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so 2
Okay,
days.
okay, please guys, just go ahead with the project reports, because it is very helpful to you guys. Along with that,
Yes.
you guys practice these sessions. Okay, I'll just share this video and the
Okay,
previous
sir.
video on the YouTube link, so that it will clarify you more on this part. Okay, I'll wind up this session. If
Okay,
you have
sir.
any queries,
Yes,
just
sir.
ping me on WhatsApp. No need to worry. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.